This is a 3D printed lightsaber modeled by 3D Printing World. The model comes in 3 separate pieces, and I recommend you print each part separately. Print with a maximum layer height of 0.2mm, no supports, and with coasting enabled. For assembly, all you have to do is insert the blade through the bottom and screw on the cap at the very end, and you should be set to go. The very last step is to paint the lightsaber whatever colors you desire. Here's the lightsaber in action. To pull out the blade, simply use centrifugal force. Let me know in the comments if you printed this lightsaber and if you enjoyed this model. Also, comment down below and let me know what I should print next.